Hello guys, today we'll be doing the touch screen replacement for this ItA A56. The touch screen looks quite bad and we'll be replacing it with a new one, a new replacement. First we're going to heat the sides, the dark edges of the touch screen, because that's where the glue is. We'll be lifting it up from the glue by heating with the hot air station. It's quite an easy process but quite delicate. If you take your time, you can do it. If not, you end up destroying the screen too. It is way cheaper to replace the touch screen than replacing the entire screen with the touch screen. So it has to be a very careful process, lifting it or separating it from the screen. I'm using the plastic that I got from the glass protection to cut the glue. It's nice and easy. It takes a little time, and below is where the LCD flex is. The LCD flex is connected right under there, so I avoid bringing the plastic right to that level because it's very fragile. It's fragile because it has even a glass edge where the flex is connected to. So we have to be careful not to cause any damages to the LCD screen. The touch screen is cold, we heat again. More heat. And it just slides down just like that. So we have cut all through the glue underneath the LCD touchscreen. You lift carefully while making sure of the bottom and taking care of the LCD flex too. We're lifting it up with the whole screen so that you can easily separate. The LCD touchscreen has a soldering. It has a part that is soldered to the screen. I think that is for the data from the touchscreen. I don't know, but that's what it is. We have to do away with that soldering if we have to take off the LCD touchscreen. Easy. And just like that, the LCD is separated from the touchscreen. You can carefully keep it to the side and get a new replacement for it. I secure the flex with that tape so that we don't accidentally cause any damage to the flex cable or to the flex connector. Now we have a new and clean replacement for the LCD touchscreen. We'll do a little alignment. We'll properly align it to the LCD so that we solder back the terminals. The fresh terminals from the new LCD touchscreen. We'll apply some solder to the terminals. It's quite an easy process, but you can only do this if you have the experience, or maybe you have had to change many touch screens, else it'll be very easy to destroy the LCD. Apply some flux to help with the flow of solder. Just like that, we secure the terminals first. The flex is secured. I will go over it one more time so that we do a clean job for the customer. I'm going over it one more time to do a clean job. And it's done. We'll have to clean that area off because the flux that we applied there can actually get into the LCD and it's going to create a little spot or a spot in the LCD that might never leave the screen. It doesn't dry off, but it flows. So we're putting back all of that into the frame. But first, we'll clean up the old glue. It's no point putting glue on glue. You might end up having the LCD touchscreen suspending up. So we clean all through the frame before applying fresh glue. Just like that. I clean the frame. I think I'm using these tweezers way too much. How can I use tweezers for cleaning up? Get new one. So I use the 7000 glue, 7000T. Is it 7000B, 7000T? Well, I use the dark glue. I prefer using the black glue for the touch screen. I apply a tiny layer into the seams. Very tiny layer. Now carefully lift up the screen and put it into the frame. The screen and the LCD touchscreen. Now the touchscreen has a little plastic underneath it, so you have to peel that off. You peel off that paper, which equally has some glue on it, so it has to perfectly stick with the other glue. The 7000 glue that has been applied will stick all together with the glue of the touchscreen, the new touchscreen, and just like that we have a clean phone again. I like to use the clear 7000 glue for the flex cables. The glue nicely sticks to the flex connector of the LCD well connected, and we just need a battery to test. Glue the battery to place too. At this level we can test without necessarily having to mount the whole phone first. So in case of any errors, we can easily take it apart again. So I'm going to connect the battery and test again. Switching on. The LCD is nice and clean. We did a wonderful job. We did a great job. We have a clean screen. We took care of it, and the LCD is perfectly working. And we have a clean phone again. Now, you just have to mount the phone and then it's ready for pickup. Thanks very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to OMAR-Fix if you're not done so for more videos. Write in the comments if you have any reviews. I will do something else in the next video.